Let me see. What? Yo. You there? Cooks. Where's everybody at?
Chapter 1 is over here.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Bean, where you go? This way.
Oh, there was a 3 all the way at the end.
Oh, there was? Oh. I didn't see that. You have search everywhere. OMG. The basement. I need to find the person who did this and why they did it. Or is it really a person? Or a... Ooh, so ominous. Made by one developer. Dang. Chapter 1. We're about to test this puppy out. Ooh. This looks cool. Pretty nice graphics. Alright, where to? Did you guys hear that? Who did that? Oh, I need to find an axe. Where's the axe? Ooh, yeah. Yo, what is up? Are you guys' mics working?
Yeah.
Okay. Trying to figure out how to sprint right now. Okay, we're good. Oh, we need the axe for this, huh? Yo, where are you going? I think we had to get in the van. Okay, never mind. Alright, let's go up ahead. I see something glowing. Okay, alrighty. Oh, what I found. Yo, what's going on? Oh god, it's so shaky. Are you guys experiencing the same thing? Oh jeez. What is happening? Hold on, wait for me. Guys, don't leave me behind. I heard footsteps. Oh, that's from my footsteps, never mind. I'm getting the heebie-jeebies. You guys are going your own paths. Guys, I don't think I'm alone. I mean, yeah, we have them, but what's going on? Where are you going? Run, woman. Yeah, Bean left somewhere else. I don't know where she went. She went up ahead, I mean. Oh, she's over there. What the heck? Should we go? Okay. Oh, jeez. My goodness. What did you guys find? What the?
It's not opening.
Yeah, let me try to open it. Yeah, it's not gonna open. I think we need a key. What's up?
Like, where's this sprint?
I already know how to run
Where?
fast.
Where? Where?
Or try using try running with let me see. Try pressing shift.
No, I am pressing shift, but she just seems to run faster than me.
Oh, it's because she's playing on the device. I think that's the difference. I'm playing with the controller, but I still kind of know the keys.
Look, stop
Yeah.
right here. Start running. Look, she's zoomed past me.
Yeah, she's faster than me, and you're faster than me. I guess that's just how it is. Oh well. Her character did more cardio than us, I guess.
I'm tiny. I got tiny legs. Oh, well, according to this thing, I'm not.
Yeah, it made you more beefier. Okay, there's a key. Did you get it? Let's go back to that spot. Do you remember the way back over there?
Oh.
Well, yeah. You have the key. That's why I'm saying, like, you should, like.
Then you turn left.
Oh God, I hear something, guys.
No.
Yeah. Oh heck, broke loose as soon as we got that key. Unfortunately, we don't have the speed that she does. Which way?
I'm low-key lost, not gonna lie.
Let's go. Well, sitting around isn't gonna help us. Gosh, man. It wasn't that way? What the heck? Hold the phone here.
Oh, it's right there towards our left.
Okay. Open it.
No, it's not working.
No, she has the key. She has to open it.
She's the mom.
Whoa. That must have been hard. What the heck? You found her. Where'd she leave? Uh-oh. She got disconnected or something. Oh, hold on. Yo, I think she got disconnected. I don't know, because, like, she disappeared. What the heck? Did we just jump into chapter 2?